It's looking for that market. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. I'm okay.
Someone buy tomato.
Buy tomato. Hello. Tomatoes.
Yes. 5 kwacha.
It's also 5 kwacha. 10.
This 10 kwacha,
10
madam.
kwacha.
But when I went, I mean, how much that I was You wanted fritters?
Yes.
Now, they have started making.
Oh.
Well done.
Hello. I'm looking for red beans. Red beans. Thai Chinese.
There's no ready beans here. The only
Kuribe.
the only beans that we sell as ready beans is this one. Only everywhere you go, you won't find ready beans. But this one, so nice.
So nice.
Yes, it is just like ready beans.
Okay.
If you want to buy red beans, unless you go to Lusaka, not here in Mazapaka, there's no red beans.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What else do you want to buy?
I'm looking for tomato and red beans.
For tomatoes.
Yes,
yeah.
yes. I know.
Tomatoes, kapenta,
Kapenta.
red beans.
Red
But
beans.
have you already bought tomatoes?
Not yet.
Yeah, they.
I need a fresh one.
You want fresh ones?
Yes.
Uh,
It's a little bit
yes, they are very
soft.
thin. So you want for how much?
Okay, thank you. Yes, I'm waiting.
Paying me
Frita. I'm waiting frita.
You're waiting for fritters.
Yes, it's
You're
fritas.
not buying me anything.
Just looking
You,
for.
madam.
Hey.